Welcome. This course, which is a part of your Academy program in leadership, focuses on organization. The subject will be divided into 3 parts: work psychology, organization, and scientific method. In work psychology, we will emphasize group dynamics, motivation, leadership and culture, but also social capital and psychological safety. In organization, we will delve into Mintzberg's organizational forms, the forces within organizations, and decision-making and communication processes. Regarding the scientific method, we will focus on objective analyses of organizations as opposed to emotion-driven evaluations and biases. Some of the topics may seem dry, but together they provide you with a solid foundation to develop your own leadership, as well as to be professional leaders at Joe and the Juice or elsewhere. Looking forward to seeing you, Flemming.